Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss about the leap year. This is video part 3 of the same chapter Time and Calendar of Unit 8. You might have seen so many times students that the month February has sometimes it has 28 days and sometimes it has 29 days, right? If we check out the calendar of February 2019, we can see that it has 28 days, and this year in February 2020, if we check out that calendar, it has 29 days. So sometimes it has 28 days and sometimes it has 29 days. Usually February has 28 days, but once in 4 years it has 29 days. So the year in which February has 29 days is called a leap year. So in that leap year we have 366 days. That means one leap year is equals to 366 days because one day get increased in the month of February. Now we will learn how to check whether a year is a leap year or not. Leap year is the one which is divisible by 4. So in simple, what do we have to do? We have to divide that year by 4. If it is divisible by 4, that means it is a leap year. If it is not divisible by 4, that means it is not a leap year. Let us understand this by taking an example. Is 2012 a leap year? So we will divide it by 4. When we will divide this 2012 by 4, we will get 4 5s are 20. Recite the table of 4. 0 here, bring down 1. Now because 1 is smaller than 4, so we will put a 0 here. Bring down 2. Now it becomes 12. 4 3s are 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So because there is no remainder, that means it is completely divisible by 4. So therefore 2012 is a leap year. That means in that year there were 366 days. But exception is there for centurial years. Centurial years means the years like 1600, 1700, 2000, 1800, 1900. So the years like this, what do? We divide it by 400. Let us understand this also by taking one example. Is 2000 a leap year or not? We will divide 2000 by 400. To divide it, you can use it, make it stable also, or you can multiply by randomly by any number. That is, you can use the search method to do this. Now if you multiply 400 by 5, you will get 2000. So that means 2000 is completely divisible by 4 because the remainder is 0. So because it is divisible by 400, so thus 2000 is a leap year. Let us do exercise questions. The first question of your worksheet 1 is, which of the following is leap year? 1992. Now what do you have to do? You have to divide it by 4. Recite the table of 4. 4 4s are 16. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down another 9 here. Now recite the table of 4. 4 9s are 36. 9 minus 6 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, and bring down the next digit, that is 2. So it becomes 32. Now 4 8s are 32. So the remainder is 0. That means 1992 is completely divisible by 4. So this year is a leap year. In the B part, it is given 1983. 1983. So divide it by 4. When you will divide it by 4, you will get remainder 3. Again recite the table of 4. 4 4s are 16. 3 is the remainder. Bring down 8. 4 9s are 36. 2 is the remainder. So bring down 3. It will become 23. 4 5s are 20. 23 minus 20 is 3. So remainder here is 3 and no other digit is there to bring down. So this is the remainder. That means 1983 is not divisible by 4. So it is not a leap year. The next is C part is 2000. We have done it here. 2000 is completely divisible by 400. We will divide it by 400 because it is a centurial year and thus it is a leap year. D part is 1999 divided by 4. So here when you will recite the table of 4, we will take 4 4s are 16, 3 after subtracting we get 3 here, bring down 9, 4 9s are 36, 3 is the remainder, bring down 9 again and the next 9 and it will become 39. So 4 9s are 36 and 3 is the remainder. Now there is no more digit to bring down. So this is the remainder. That means 1999 is not completely divisible by 4. So 1999 is not a leap year. In the similar way, students, you can solve these questions. Coming on to the question number 2, question number 2. Question number first, A part is the year in which India got independence a leap year or not? Okay. Now you all know that India got independence in 1947. So divide it by 4. You will come to know whether it is divisible or not, right? So 1947 divided 1947 by 4. Now 4 4s are, recite the table of 4, 4 4s are 16. When you will subtract, you will get 3, bring down 4, it is 34. 4 8s are 32, we will take this, subtract it, 2 is the remainder, 0 here, bring down 7 now, it will become 27. Now 4 6s are 24, we will take, 3 is the remainder because 2 minus 2 is 0, no more digit is there to bring down, so 3 here is this is the remainder. That means 1947 is not completely divisible by 4. So 1947 is not a leap year. So what you will write? No. Right? Do it in books only because this is a book exercise. Is your year of birth a leap year? Do it by yourself. The year in which you born. Divide it by 2. If it is a central year, then divide it by 400. How many days are there in a leap year? Now you all know that there are 366 days in a leap year. How many days are there in the month of February in a leap year? There are 29 days in the month of February when it is a leap year. I hope students the concept is clear to all of you. Thank you.